Stop playing small. This is your sign to quantum jump into your dream reality. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna and in today's video, I wanted to remind you of your power because you are playing small right now. Stop playing small if you want to manifest your dream reality. You want to manifest all those desires that you have in your mind. There is a reason why they're in your mind. So it is time for you to quantum leap into that dream reality and I'm going to tell you how to do that. Let's get started. Who says it's not possible for you? Why do you think you can't get your dream job? Why do you think you're not talented and capable enough to be the most successful person? Who's stopping you from accomplishing or going for your dreams? Nobody. It's literally just you. If you know Neville Goddard's concepts or even about law of assumption that I always talk about in all of my videos, you know that you are the creator of your reality. Your imagination literally creates your reality. Whatever you see in your life is a reflection of your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that you hold in your mind. So, in short, you have the power to create the reality that you want. And I'm not even over exaggerating. Every client that I interacted with have always been super intelligent, super thoughtful people. So when they say things like, I just want to manifest a dream job that can just pay my bills and can pay my rent, like that's all I want. Is that like I'm asking universe too much? I'm always thinking to myself, you're asking too little. Like you have to expand your dreams, you have to expand your consciousness, you have to dream bigger because when you dream bigger, you start seeing that there are endless possibilities. Do you want to know how many possibilities you have to manifest that dream job? Infinite. And I'm not even kidding. You have infinite possibilities because there are infinite realities that exist in the quantum world. So why are you thinking so small about yourself? Because the universe has endless possibilities. There are infinite possibilities, infinite versions of you in the universe. You have to learn to quantum jump into that version who is super successful and who has up-leveled in every area of their life. Neville Goddard has constantly highlighted that your outer world is actually a reflection of the inner assumptions that you hold about yourself in the mind. When you start expanding your consciousness and the moment you do it, your reality starts shifting as well. I recently came across this reel one of my friend had shared. Bhavita is like the first, Hyderabad girl to walk the runway and to open the show for Chanel. And she's the first person to do that. And she got scouted from a New York subway. And I don't know if it's the Instagram algorithm or I don't know because I have been watching her reels. But I got a reel today in the morning where I saw her talking about job struggles. And that video is back from July. It's December now, but that video was something that she posted in July saying that, the struggle of the job market is real, difficult to find a job. Like I will link that reel below in the description so you can see it for yourself. And she quantum jumped into a career where she's a model now, and she's not just any other model. She's a model for a designer brand. Can you imagine that someone who has come to NYU to study, not to be a model, never in the cards, did not even think about it, was a student, was looking for jobs just like everyone else, but ended up becoming a model. The universe is always on your side. As long as you assume it is on your side, and as long as you become open to receiving these possibilities, to receiving these miracles, as long as you expand your consciousness, as long as you believe and you are open to receiving the miracles, you will receive the miracles eventually. And when I see examples of Bhavita like seriously killing it and being the best model out there, that is when I'm like, okay, this is the evidence, this is the example from the universe telling me that I am dreaming too small, I am assuming too small about myself and my life. It is time to expand my reality. There are so many real life examples that you can follow and see, because once you start seeing all these examples, you are throwing evidence to your subconscious mind that if they can do it, I can do it too. Neville Goddard always talks about the bridge of incidents, like unexpected events coming into your life at the unexpected moment of time. You have to be at the right place at the right time. Imagine someone like Bhavita who did not even want to do modeling, did not even apply to any agencies, nothing like that. She was just in a subway casually as a person who always takes the subway, and someone scouted her, and then she has a modeling career right now. So this is what Neville Goddard also talks about, like the bridge of incidents. Unexpected circumstances just happen. Unexpected miracles will just happen in your life. Once you assume that new identity, once you make that shift and you decide that everything comes to me, I don't have to chase anything else, automatically things in your reality will start changing. You will start attracting the circumstances that you never even dreamed about, that you never even imagined, because you are now open to receiving things, because you're now open to believing miracles do exist. So that is why I keep telling you have no idea of the million possibilities that exist in your reality right now. So, in case you're playing too small, then the first thing you need to do is start seeing the endless possibilities that are there in your reality right now. And once you shift into that identity of the best version of themselves, who thinks the best about themselves, who knows that they're capable, talented, you just move differently. Your energy becomes different. And when you shift into that identity, that is when you start receiving miracles openly. Talking about the abundance mindset, even in my program, Manifest Instantly, you can grab it. The link is down below in the description. Abundance mindset, in short, is the way you see everything in abundance, like trees in abundance, water in abundance, sunlight in abundance, the way they're abundantly available for us and they're actually free for all of us. You have to tap into that mindset and consider anything you want in your life, it is easy to get it. And a lot of people who hold limiting beliefs about money, it becomes very difficult for them to attract money. And a lot of people who think they're not worthy enough, they're not successful enough, it is very difficult for them to attract success. The best example that I give my clients in order for them to tap into their abundance mindset is when they say that, the job market is bad, this is that. That's a limiting belief. If you think the job market is bad and there are millions of people who don't have a job, what about the millions of people who have a job? What about the millions of people who are holding a job? So please remove all these limiting beliefs. These limiting beliefs are just excuses. You are giving your excuses more power by telling that it's not possible for you to manifest your dream job just because the job market is bad. Do not place the job market on a pedestal. Do not place your dream job on a pedestal. Just be open, be receptive, and let the universe surprise you. Step 2 is listen to your callings. You are going to get 100 different callings as soon as you decide in your mind that there are infinite possibilities, there are infinite dream realities that exist in your world. You just have to quantum jump and get into that version of yourself who is successful, who's ambitious. Then trust me, you will get so many callings, it'll become very difficult to ignore. Back in 2022, if you guys know, I've made a lot of videos about being jobless, not having a job for an entire year because I moved to a new country. I could not legally work. So I was basically jobless for an entire year. And it was when I was jobless that I picked up books to read just because I was so mentally depressed. I just felt like I lost my purpose. So at this point of time, I felt like I hit rock bottom just because I'm seeing all of my friends, everyone, having an amazing career, going, working, enjoying their life. And I am here stuck thinking, okay, I don't have a salary, I don't have money, I don't even have a job. What kind of purpose do I have in this life? Just negative thoughts, a lot of negative thoughts that were disturbing me mentally. And that is when I gravitated towards books because I love reading books, right? So I suddenly discovered Neville Goddard's books. And then I started reading books on manifestation. I started reading books on law of attraction. And all of a sudden, I got this inner calling to make videos on manifestation because somehow with these books and with the help of whatever I learned in the books, I applied it in my real life and I was able to manifest a job in 3 days after going to India. When I got this weird calling that, wait, I need to make a video about this and share it with someone. And that video still has the most number of views, the most number of likes. Most of my clients came to me from that one video just because I had this weird calling in my mind that I need to share my personal life story because somehow it'll inspire someone. And when I saw Bhavita's reel today about the job market, the struggles and everything, and I followed her story on how she became a model and started working for the most elite brands, that is when I got the inner calling to do this video, to post this video, give her example. Someone who is from Hyderabad just like her and who is living in New York, for a person like me, at least from the upbringing, the background that I come from, it is very difficult to tap into that abundance mindset and to listen to these callings and to even think that the universe will surprise you and you will suddenly get an opportunity and you'll get to be a model. Like, it's just very, very difficult for someone like me to even dream about these things. So start treating your inner callings as nudges and signs from the universe. Every single person is going to get a lot of signs, is going to get a lot of weird ideas in your mind. Those weird ideas are the ones that help you manifest your dreams. Like the universe is sending you a message and all you have to do is take the aligned action to make it happen. Had I not gotten that reel about job market, I wouldn't be posting this video right now. Had I not gotten a job in 3 days, I wouldn't be posting the video that I posted through which I went viral. Trust your callings, believe that you're getting these callings as a message from the universe. So all you have to do is take the aligned action towards it. Just put it into action and watch how miracles start coming into your life. Step 3 is dream big. According to Neville Goddard, it is not your circumstances that create your reality. Your imagination is what brings things into reality. So every single dream that you have in the night when you're going to sleep, every single thing you imagine and you visualize, that is what is creating how the next day for you is going to look like. We're all wired to always be focused more on our worries, to be focused more on how is the future going to look like, to focus more on the uncertainty, but we never think positively. We never take the chance to be grateful for the life we have built right now, because we're always in that survival mode. We have that survival mindset where, like, okay, we have to wake up the next day, somehow survive the day, do whatever it takes, and then go to the bed and again think about the next day. That is how we have been trained and wired. Maybe it could be an upbringing thing, maybe it could be the influence of the family that we're surrounded with, the friends that we're surrounded with. Like, I remember back during my school, I took up engineering just because all my friends were doing engineering. Background that I come from and the city that I come from, every single cousin of mine, every single relative that I know would only either become a doctor or an engineer. So in my mind, I was only thinking there are only two options. I either have to be an engineer or a doctor, and I ended up going for an engineering career. Because you are focused more on your worries, because you are focused more on, your future, your uncertainty, or your options being limited, like how I was when I was back in school. That is why your reality was different all these years. Can you realize your imagination actually creates your reality? So I have to start dreaming big. That is when you will start seeing miracles happen in your life. Please take this video as a sign that it is time for you to dream bigger, because whatever you want, whatever desires you have, it's not impossible. If you see someone else with those desires or something similar to that, that means you can have that kind of life too. That means you can have those desires too. So please quit playing small, start dreaming big, start tapping into that abundance mindset and seeing that there are endless possibilities out there. Like, keep affirming that, universe, show me how good it gets. You can affirm things like, universe, show me how good it gets. You can affirm things like, universe is always in my favor. That is the reason I love affirmations, because affirmations, in a way, the more you keep affirming the same thing on and on in a repeat mode in your mind, it automatically takes that as a true fact about your life. That automatically becomes a belief in your mind. So whenever I affirm things like, universe, show me how it gets better, or everything always works out in my favor, or I am a successful YouTuber, it just helps me believe in that reality even more, and it helps me show up with my clients or with you guys even more in that way. Today in the morning, as usual, when I was affirming, I grabbed my coffee and I got that reel, Bhavita's reel that I was talking about, and that I decided was my calling, and it was a sign for me to film this video. So yeah, basically every single thing you see in your reality comes from the inner callings that you have, the inner beliefs you have, the inner assumptions you hold about yourself. So start following those nudges, take that inspired action, and trust me, you will start seeing miracles. That was it for today's video, you guys. If you want to quantum jump into your dream reality, I teach you how to do that in less than 2 weeks. You can grab Manifest Instantly from Topmate or Stan Store. I will put the link down below in the description so you can check it out. If you want to believe in miracles, you want to believe that there are infinite possibilities out there, then make sure to grab either my ebooks or my courses from Topmate or Stan Store. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. I want you guys to affirm that the universe is always in your favor. You can also comment down below in order to claim that energy. So yeah, lots of love to you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.